Hey, so it's a really long story, but I've been driving all afternoon. I've been driving all afternoon, but I hate to say it, I won't be there soon. And though I'm late, you know I just can't wait to come home to my slice of heaven on toast. But my Grand Prix broke down without fail. Another flat tire and another nail. I miss your smile, but this could take a while, 'cause this road closed sign says there's no way around. No, first I felt kinda sad, but I said out loud, you know this isn't so bad. Your photograph on my dash knows it's true. It might take me forever, but I can't wait to see you. I've been trudging since 2 a.m. on the side of this highway, 'cause back there when I patched that flat, I ran on fumes, and that was a bad move, 'cause yeah, I ran out of gas. The heavens opened, the rain came down. Now I'm soaked to the bone, but I'm homeward bound. So I just don't care how much I have to bear, 'cause you'll be there when I'm walking through the door. So down this road I will run, and only stop to buy you a bouquet for no reason. Hey, it's kinda crazy what daisies can do. It might take me forever, but I can't wait to see you. Am I unavoidably detained or extremely fashionably late? There ain't nothing mentioned, nothing gained. It just really hasn't been my day, but I'm on my way. Am I unavoidably detained or just unbelievably, insanely fashionably late? There ain't nothing mentioned, nothing gained. It just really, truly hasn't been my day, but I'm on my way. If I blew in by daybreak, I'd be in luck. I'd hand you a coffee right when you woke up. But my ETA just jumped to MIA, and I'm so lost, my mind is starting to stray. Let's say I fly to Kathmandu to show the whole world I got a lot to prove. But all I find is all these highways wind and lead back to my slice of heaven on toast. Oh, would your heart kind of glow if I held your hand and I promised to stay home? Hey, when I blow in, that's the first thing I'll do. It might take me forever. It might take me forever, but I love you forever, and I can't wait to see you. Yeah. all afternoon, but I hate to say it, I won't be there soon.